And welcome to my channel. It's Evelyn and Evelyn's Home Cooking. Today I want to show you how to make Italian pasta salad. This is loaded all the best ingredients. And also I want to show you how to make a homemade Italian dressing that you make to feel in love with the salad. So to get started, we start with the pasta. And now we will boil our pasta. We put 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. And now we will put our pasta. Okay, now the pasta is ready. Remember that don't overcook the pasta. So, okay, we will take. Okay. And rinse it to the cold water thoroughly and transfer it into the bowl. Okay. And now the pasta is ready, and then we will set aside. Okay, next we will make a homemade Italian dressing. So in one cup I will put in a 1/2 cup of olive oil. 3 teaspoons of vinegar and 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Is a finely grated Parmesan cheese and 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise and 1 garlic cloves minced. Okay, and 1 teaspoon of oregano and 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of basil. So, and next is salt. 3/4 cup of salt. Where is my salt? Salt. 1/2 of teaspoon of black pepper. Okay. Now we will combine it together. Mix it well. And the next is our pasta. So we will put our pasta. And the next is the salami. 6 ounces of salami. Slice and slice or chop it into very slice like this. Okay, and we will put the 1 cup of cherry tomato. So slice into half. And next, the cucumber. You can slice it like this. So you can slice square size like this. And next is half of red onions. and slice it into a very small, very okay. Black olives, 1/2 cup. So we will cut into half. The next is the Kalamata, 1/2 cup of Kalamata olives. Kalamata olives. Okay, I love Kalamata olives also. So 1/2 cup of roasted red pepper. So also we will slice it into a small, cut into a finely. Next, we will arrange our ingredients into the bowl. So first, this one, we will put this one, and next this one, and then next this one, to make sliced salami. Our sliced salami. And our mozzarella pearl. So mozzarella pearl. One-half cup of parsley. Yeah, here. Kalamata. And next, we will put the Italian dressing, our dressing, to the salad. So mix it again. Now, and we will put our dressing in the upper. And okay, yes, Italian pasta is ready, and it's ready to serve now. Very tasty, and the dressing so amazing, very perfect. Okay, now I will take some to taste. I will take some to taste. So very delicious. Okay, now so delicious, so good. The dressing is really absorbed to the vegetables, and the pasta all is the best ingredients. It's perfect. Everyone, I hope you like my recipe. Follow the ingredients below and give me the big thumbs up. Subscribe my channel and click the bell for the notification. See you for my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.